Hello everyone. In this video we will learn some basic formulas in Excel like sum, subtraction, multiplication, divide, percentage, average and count. We will discuss sum formula with three methods. The first is sum function with formula, the second is sum function without formula, and the third is sum function with shortcut key. Let's start the video with first one, which is sum function with formula. We have a simple table here with some numbers. To calculate the total, we will use the sum function. Click on the cell where you want the total. Now type this formula, press enter and your total will appear. Now we will discuss the second method, which is sum function without formula. Click on the cell where you want the total. Now go to the home tab on the top menu. Click on the auto sum button. Excel will automatically select the range and show the formula. Just press enter and you are done. Now we will discuss the third method, which is sum function with shortcut key. Click on the cell below. Now press Alt plus equal on your keyboard. Excel will instantly apply the sum formula for you. Press enter to complete it. Now let's talk about the subtraction formula in Excel. We have a table here that shows. We have gross salary and tax. To find net salary, click on the first empty cell. Now type this formula. This means gross salary minus tax. Press enter, you will get the net salary. Drag it down to get net salary for all months. That's how subtraction works in Excel. Now let's learn the multiplication formula in Excel. We have products, units sold and rate. To find the total sale amount, to multiply units sold by rate, click on the first cell under total sale amount. Now type this formula, then press enter. You will get the total sale for that product. Now drag the formula down to apply it to all products. This is how we use the multiplication formula in Excel. Now let's learn how to use the division formula in Excel. We have products, units sold and total amount. To find the rate per unit, we divide total amount by unit sold. Click on the first cell under rate. Now type this formula. Then press enter. You will get the rate per unit for the first product. Now drag the formula down to calculate for all products. That's how you use the division formula in Excel. Now let's learn how to calculate percentage in Excel. We have students, total marks and marks obtained. To find the obtained percent, we divide marks obtained by total marks. Click on the first cell under obtained percent. Now type this formula. Then press enter. You will get a decimal value. To convert it into percentage, go to the home tab and click on the percentage button. Now drag the formula down to apply it to all students. This is how you calculate percentage in Excel easily. Now let's learn how to find the average function in Excel. We have marks for 3 subjects. To find the average marks, we will use the average formula. Click on the first empty cell under average marks. Now type this formula. Then press enter. You will get the average of all 3 subjects for that student. Now drag the formula down to apply it for all students. That's how you use the average function in Excel easily. Let's learn how to use the count formula in Excel. We have a list of students and their marks. To count how many students have entered marks, we will use the count function. Click on an empty cell and type this formula. This will count only the number values in the range. Blank cells will be ignored. Press enter and you will see how many students have marks. This is how you use the count function to count number in Excel. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.